In today's video, I'll show you how to trim or split a video on TikTok, whether you're recording a new one or editing an existing clip from your gallery. To get started, open TikTok and tap the plus button at the bottom. You can either record a new video or tap your gallery icon in the bottom left to choose a video you've already saved. Once selected, tap next in the bottom right. Now, to start trimming, either swipe up on the video or tap the edit button at the top right. You can then adjust the start and end points by dragging the handles at each end of the timeline. If you want to remove a specific section in the middle, place your cursor where you want to start, tap split, then move to where you want the section to end and tap split again. Select that portion and tap delete at the bottom. The unwanted part will be removed. Once you're done trimming or splitting, you can continue editing by adding text, filters, and effects. When you're happy with your video, tap next and post it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.